Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here in Freeman, Missouri. We have finished up the exterior excavation. All the pressure that was causing this wall to lean inward is now relieved, so we are in the process now of going inside. We've started getting the drywall taken down. We'll take a look at that here in just a second. But yeah, just to give another overview of this project, this is one of our 4-step full scope foundation repair projects where we will be straightening this back foundation wall. This is an earth contact home, so a lot of additional excavation is needed to fully expose the wall. Once that's done, we will come inside with our 6x6s, 30-ton bottle jacks, angle iron, and we will slowly get this wall tilted back to vertical. Once that's done, we have 4 King Pier 2s we're going to be installing under the footing of this house. So once the wall is straightened, we will then pier that footing, raise that back to its correct level elevation, and then at that point we'll be able to repair the cracks in the foundation wall with a combination of fast-setting epoxy and polyurethane. And then the final of the 4 steps is installing our 4-inch steel H-beam wall braces to ensure that the wall remains vertical. So all of the excavation is taken care of. We'll take a quick look now at the inside. The way this house is built, there's a lot of differences that we've been discovering compared to a more traditionally built house. So it doesn't have the typical floor joists like you might normally see. Right now there's basically a lot of insulation we are getting rid of. So we'll take a quick look here just a sec. So you can see here we are pulling up the carpet, trying to get everything fully exposed. We've got the drywall down on this first part in the living room, but you can see up here, these are a lot wider spaced than what we typically deal with. So we're gonna have to do some changes there just to make sure that the wall braces are fully in place and fully secure. So we've got a long stretch we're gonna be working on here today. So that is pretty much it. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find these on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.